morning, dear students. My name is Abu Jihad Ansari, Associate Professor, Department of English, Raspberry Government Adersho Women's College. Today we are going to read English first paper, HSC 2022. The examination that will be held in 2022. English first paper, short syllabus. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation, students are absent from the college, so the government has decided to shorten the syllabus. That is, revised syllabus prescribed by National Curriculum and Textbook Board. The official title, revised syllabus. We can say it short syllabus. In English first word, there are two sections, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is grammatical item. You can say the part 1, in part 1 there are 60 marks. In part 1 there is 60 marks divided into some grammatical items, and the part 2 40 marks writing, that is writing item, guided writing 40 marks. Today we are practicing from part 1. The first question is second question in the part 1 is multiple choice question. You see, multiple choice question. Short question with answers. Short questions with answer. That is, we can say in simple, short question. Short question with answers. Short answer question. Short answer question. That is the official title. The official title is short answer questions. ছোট্ট উত্তর দিতে হবে. And in another word, it is called open-ended. If we say open-ended, the answer is unlimited. You can say it long. You can give a long answer, but this is short question. Also, it is open-ended question, and this question containing 2 marks. You will have to answer 5 questions. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Short question. Question number 2. In grammatical item, question number 2 is short question. Each question containing 2 marks, you will have to answer 5 questions. That is 10 marks. In question number 1, there was multiple choice question. We have already practiced it in our previous classes. Now today we are going to practice short question with answers. Marks 2 into 5 is equal to 10. How can we practice this chapter? We are going to read a passage from the text. I think we have already read the passages. Now, today in our previous classes, we have practiced the lesson. I have a dream. I have a dream is the passage. In our previous classes, we practiced I have a dream lesson. A lesson, the passage deals with a short account of a prominent speech delivered by Martin Luther King Jr. on 28 August 1963 in Washington DC, USA, United States of America. In his speech, Martin Luther King Jr. talked favorably the Negroes. He highlighted the struggle and discrimination of the black people. He talked about impartiality and the justice indifferent of races, religion, gender, etc. He dreamed of a society where every people will enjoy the same opportunity. He dreamed that the children of former slaves and the children of former slaves owner might be able to sit down together. He dreamed that Mississippi states would one day be free from the tyranny and oppression. He also dreamed that one day in the state of Alabama, the little black children might be able to mix with the white children and fraternity. Martin Luther King Jr. in his speech emphasized on equality and justice. He gave emphasis on freedom throughout his speech. I think all of you have already read the passage. From this passage, we are going to practice short questions with answers. Question number 1. What did Martin Luther King dreamed about the sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners? মার্টিন লুথার কিং কী স্বপ্ন দেখতেন যে পূর্বের দাস এবং দাসের সন্তানেরা কীভাবে বাস করবে? দ্য আনসার ইজ মার্টিন লুথার কিং ড্রিমড দ্যাট the sons of former slaves and the sons of former slaves owners will be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. This is the answer. Next question, question number B. Which of the above dreams do you appreciate most and why? মার্টিন লুথার কিং যে স্বপ্নগুলি দেখতেন তার মধ্যে তুমি কোন স্বপ্নটি সবচেয়ে বেশি পছন্দ করো এবং কেন? Question number B. Now we are going to see the answer. I appreciate almost all of the above dreams, but I appreciate the fourth one most, that the children will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. Skin color is not the important, but character is the most valuable thing in human life. According to Martin Luther King, that the color of the skin is not important, but the content, character of the people is more important in our life. This is the most important dreams that Martin Luther King dreamed, and I like the most. Okay, question number C. What is the condition of the Negro in American society? American society নিগ্রোদের কন্ডিশনটা কীরকম ছিল? উত্তর, আনসার, কোশ্চেন নাম্বার সি আনসার, দ্য কন্ডিশন অফ দ্য নিগ্রো in American society is very bad. The Negro is still languishing and finds himself an exile in his own land. This is the answer. Why did Martin Luther King Jr. have these dreams? মার্টিন লুথার কিং জুনিয়র কেন এই স্বপ্নগুলি দেখতেন? Question number D answer. Martin Luther King Jr. had these dreams because he believed that all men have rights to enjoy equal opportunities. He wanted to see that people are living in the same nation without any discrimination. He wanted to see that people are living in the same nation without any discrimination. Next, question number E. What was Martin Luther King's dream? Martin Luther King's স্বপ্ন কি ছিল? That is short question. Question number E. Answer. Martin Luther King's dream was to rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. Martin Luther King's dream was to rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. Next question. What is the dream of Martin Luther King Jr. regarding the Red Hills of Georgia. What is the dream of Martin Luther King Jr. regarding the Red Hills of Georgia? Answer. The dream of Martin Luther King Jr. regarding the Red Hills of Georgia is that one day on these hills the sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. Question number G. Why or does Martin Luther King Jr. dreamed about his nation and its creed? What does? Question number A is, why does the Negro find himself an exile in his own land? কেন নিগ্রোরা নিজ ভূমে পরাধীন জাতি হিসেবে দেখে? Why does the Negro find himself an exile in his own land? The answer. There are reasons why the Negro finds himself an exile in his own land. Despite being a native, the Negro possesses a very lower position in American society. Moreover, the Negro is always oppressed and dominated by white. This is the answer. What is the condition of the Negro in the state of Mississippi? Describe in 2 to 3 sentences. Question number I. Question number I answer. The condition of the Negro in the state of Mississippi is miserable. The Negro of Mississippi is the gift of injustice and oppression. Last question. The Negro lives on a lonely island of poverty in the midst of a vast ocean of material prosperity. What do you understand by this line? Explain in 2 or 3 sentences. According to Martin Luther King Jr., the Negro lives in poverty, but the people around them enjoy a prosperous life. For this reason, the habitat of the Negro is compared to a poverty-stricken island that is surrounded by the ocean of prosperity. This is the way how we can practice short question with answers. We practiced I have a dream. From the lesson I have a dream, I think we have already read that. Now we are going to read another passage. This is another passage, lesson class number 68 and 69. In our last previous classes we practiced this lesson. Class number 68 and 69. Threats to tiger of mangrove forest. Threats to tiger of mangrove forest. উপকূলীয় বনাঞ্চলে বাঘের প্রতি হুমকি। আমাদের সুন্দরবনে বাঘের কথা এখানে বলা হয়েছে। The mangrove forest of the Sundarban is the only habitat for the Royal Bengal tigers, but this forest is disappearing fast due to erosion, rising sea levels and storm surges. Thus, it poses a question mark over the future of the Royal Bengal tiger, an endangered species. Rapid deterioration in mangrove health is causing as much as 200 meters of the vegetation ridge coast to disappear annually. If this continues, the tiger population in the Sundarban will be at stake. The Sundarban is a critical tiger habitat, one of the only a handful of remaining forest is big enough to hold several hundred tigers. To lose the Sundarban would be a move to step closer to the extinction of these majestic animals. So we should take steps to save the Sundarban both for the majestic animal and for the men living around it. এই প্যাসেজটি আবার let us repeat. টাইগার্স, থ্রেটস টু টাইগার্স অফ ম্যানগ্রোভ ফরেস্ট, উপকূলীয় বনাঞ্চলে বাঘদের প্রতি হুমকি। তোমরা এই প্যাসেজটা সবাই, আই থিঙ্ক ইউ হ্যাভ অলরেডি read the passage. Now we are going to practice short question with answer, short answer question. Answer the following question. Question number B, answer the following question. এই প্রশ্নগুলোর উত্তর দাও। Short question with answers. Why is the Sundarban so significant? কেন সুন্দরবন এত উল্লেখযোগ্য? Why is the Sundarban, answer question, the why is the Sundarban is so significant? And the answer is, the Sundarban is so significant because it is a critical tiger habitat. It is the only one forest that can accommodate several hundreds of tigers alone. This is the answer. Next question, what does ZSL stand for? What is it? What does ZSL stand for? ZLS বলতে কি বোঝো? What is it? এটা কি? The answer is, ZSL stands for Zoological Society of London. It is a research center. What is the view of Natalie Petrolli, the writer of the passage? The writer of the passage. What is the view of Natalie Petrolli on Bangladesh part of the Sundarbans? সুন্দরবনের বাংলাদেশ অংশ নিয়ে নাটালি পেট্রোলির ব্যক্তিগত অভিমতটা কি? Natalie Petrolli focused on the fact that coastline erosion is a big threat to the Sundarbans. If this erosion continues, Bangladesh will lose its part of the Sundarban within next 50 years. বলছে যদি এইভাবে সুন্দরবনের ভাঙন শুরু হয় তাহলে আগে 50 বছরের মধ্যে আমরা সুন্দরবনটা হারাতে পারি। What happened to the Sundarban in 2007? 2007-এ সুন্দরবনের কী ঘটেছিল? আনসার, Sidor, a super cyclone. I think most of you have heard the name Sidor, S-I-D-R-E. Sidor means eye, choke. A super cyclone hit the Sundarbans in 2007 and devastated it very badly. I am going to repeat the question. What happened in 2007? Sidor, a super cyclone, hit the Sundarbans in 2007 and devastated it badly. What will happen if we lose the Sundarban? What will happen if we lose the Sundarban? কি ঘটবে যদি আমরা সুন্দরবন হারাই? The answer is, if we lose the Sundarbans, the magnificent animals will also be extinct. Moreover, the global temperature will continue to rise and the natural protection from tidal waves and cyclones will degrade. This is the answer. Now extra question. There is extra question, but in our exam we will have 5 questions, and in this chapter we have 10 questions. Extra question. What is the view of ZSL tiger expert Hara Christie? What is your own words? Write in your own words. ZLS সংস্থা সারা কৃষ্টির মতামতটা কি? Tiger expert Hara Christie is concerned about the present condition of Royal Bengal tiger and the Sundarbans. She opined that Sundarbans is a critical tiger habitat. If this forest is destroyed, the Royal Bengal tiger will also be extinct. This is the opinion of Shara Christie. What is happening to the Sundarbans according to the study of ZSL? সুন্দরবনে কী ঘটছে অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য স্টাডি অফ জেডএসএলের মতে সুন্দরবনে কী ঘটছে? অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য আনসার, অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য স্টাডি of ZSL, the Sundarbans is being rapidly destroyed by erosion, rising of sea levels and storm surges. This is the answer of the short question. What is the step which brings closer to the extinction of Bengal tigers? What is the step which brings closer to the extinction of Bengal tigers? এই বেঙ্গল টাইগারের অবলুপ্তির কারণটা কি? কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 8. To lose Sundarban would be a move to step closer to the extinction of these majestic animals. If we lose Sundarbans, then the Royal Bengal tiger will be extincted. Why is Shara Christie concerned? Shara Christie এত উদ্বিগ্ন কেন? Shara Christie is concerned about the majestic animal, the Royal Bengal tigers. She is afraid that if the Sundarbans is destroyed, then the Royal Bengal tigers will also be extinct. Shara Christie মনে করেন যদি আমরা সুন্দরবন ধ্বংস হয়ে যায় তখন আমাদের এই রয়্যাল বেঙ্গল টাইগারগুলোও হারিয়ে যাবে। Why is coastline retreat increasing? কীভাবে কোস্টলাইনটা দিন দিন পিছিয়ে যাচ্ছে? কোশ্চেন নাম্বার জে আনসার, দ্য কোস্টলাইন রিট্রিট ইজ ইনক্রিজিং বিকজ অফ স্টোন সার্জ, rise in sea level, increased salinity and other extreme natural events. এই সমস্ত কারণে দিন দিন কোস্টলাইনটা বৃদ্ধি পাচ্ছে। সো উই প্র্যাকটিসড দ্য শর্ট কোশ্চেন section, short answer question number 2 of the part 1. Okay, you practiced from other passages at your home. We practiced just 2 passages of short question and you practice at home. Okay, thank you everybody.